Without doubt, one of the most impressive properties in Joondalup. This double-storey home even has its own roundabout in the front garden. Huge pillars frame this sensational-looking property, which is located in one of the finest streets in Joondalup and boasts incredible views from the second storey. With a sparkling below-ground pool, separate spa and a fantastic fully decked pergola, this private back garden is an oasis for entertaining. Through the double-door entry, you will find formal dining to the left and a formal lounge or theatre room to the right. Past these rooms, you walk into a recently renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances and quality stone bench tops, which opens up to the family meals and lounge area. All the bedrooms are queens with built-in robes, except the master, which is a huge king-size bedroom with walk-in his and her robes. A magnificent home packed full of features. Book your inspection.